Grab it before it drops. Just don't touch the other.
Like this?
Yep. Graphic communications, the class has actually been around ever since I was in high school. I took this same class when I was in high school, and I graduated from Stratford in 1992. Well, it was at Oakley Vocational Center. So when I graduated from school, I got a job in the industry with the skills that I learned from the class. So I started working for Tri-State. I worked for them for 3 years, and then I went to MUSC's print shop and worked for them for 5 years. And I started teaching here in 2000. So this program has been here a really long time, and it's really evolved. Like, we've gotten a lot of new equipment, great support by the district. Within the last year, we took over the Berkeley County School District, the print shop for the school district. So now we print and do jobs for the county, for Berkeley County School District. So anybody that wants anything printed, any of the schools, they just go into the website, put in their work orders, and then we print for them.
We worked on printers and like printing posters and printing like T-shirts. We can print on masks, so we can get our own custom masks. I really like the hands-on work. It's pretty fun, and I like designing stuff too.
So the students, they learn a little bit of everything. They're graphic communications, so they learn Adobe software that has to do mainly with printing software. So Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop. They learn to create things and design them to output it to a device. So they learn those programs. They actually get their certification, ACA Associate's certification in those programs. And then when they get out of school, they can the possibilities are wide open because they learn the software, but they also learn how to run the devices that they print from.
I want to be a graphic designer for Disney. But if I have anything else, like if I'm in any other job field there, I'm perfectly fine. As long as I'm at Disney. With print shop, it just depends what the district needs. And then we're always doing something like for our own projects. So like this was something that like I made like on my own time. And then just brought it into class. And there it is.
They can go into a printing field, they can go into a graphic design field, they can work, they could do sales and marketing and put it in with business. There's so many jobs out there. This is the third largest industry in the world. So it's huge because just think, everything we communicate usually is visual. So we are communicating with the public visually. So that's what they learn how to do.